Hey guys, I'm here with a new recipe that thinly chopped ginger, thinly chopped capsicum. Then we're going to put sliced and thinly chopped onions in it. So next we're going to add a whole jalapeno in it, nicely chopped as well. So here we got all the veggies that we got that's ready to go. So now we're going to add around 3 spoons of chickpea flour. And next we have the semolina fine. So add 3 big spoons of that as well to give it a nice and crisp. Then we're going to add some spices, so salt according to your taste. And then we add some homemade masala to it. That has cumin seeds, coriander and the black pepper in it, dry roasted and grinded. Then mix the mixture well before adding the water to it. So it should be mixed well, because it just need a little bit of water due to the veggies are like nice and fresh. Now it's good to go. Then we're going to add a water to it. So when you're going to add a water, don't put too much, just add a little bit at a time, then mix it so it doesn't get too much sloppy. It should be nice and thick. So keep watching. So I'm gonna add it. So in the end, your mixture should look like this, not too thick, not too watery. So then we're gonna heat up the pan and just put spread olive oil or canola oil, whatever you got. Before putting the mixture on the pan, just make sure it's not too warm. Just on a low heat, it should be cooked nice and crisp. Just put the mixture and just roll it over on the top so it's got like thin base instead of getting it too thick. That's how I'm doing right now, so you can watch it. So make it like really thin, as we got like eggs. So it's basically a mixture that we made is for the vegans or vegetarians can have it. So it's basically a similar breakfast that in India people have, like who don't eat egg or omelette. So it's like basically a ultimate of eggs. So we make like a breakfast with a chickpea, this stuff. Before flipping it, just make sure it's a little bit got dry on the top. And then we're gonna slowly move it with a spatula. See, I was going to break it. So just make sure when you're gonna flip it, just gently. That's how it is. See, it got a nice and crispy on the bottom. So we're gonna toast other side at the same heat and the same time. So it basically take another like 2 or 3 minutes. See how it is ready. So now we're gonna take it off and I'm gonna show you how I love to eat I normally cut it like in the pieces of the pizzas, like pizza slices. So I make like some slices, and then I drizzle the like sriracha sauce on it. So need to give you a little bit of kick as well. See, it's ready to go and you should enjoy as well. Don't forget to follow me for the next recipe.